Hey YouTube, it's your boy Nas, aka Supreme, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So if you're new here, this is The Supremacy. I am Supreme. Welcome. Make sure you guys click that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying, so you can be part of the fam too. So today, you guys, on my channel, what we're going to be doing is the 100 mini twist challenge. And yes, girl, you heard it. The 100 mini twist challenge. I don't even know if this challenge already exists. If it does, kudos to whoever made it. If it doesn't, well, we're starting something new. You know, we're a little innovative. Okay. Anyway, so what I basically wanted to do was charge all my naturals, all my fellow naturals, you guys to go ahead and do 100 mini twists if you bout that action, if you bout that definition, if you bout that period. Okay. But yeah, I thought it would just be a little fun thing to do, but I guess I'm going to be going through and showing you guys what I'm going to be using. Are you freaking kidding me? You I'm going to beat them up. I'm going to beat them up. I'm going to beat them up.
Sex with me so amazing. All this all work, no vacation. Stay up off my Instagram, pure temptation. Hit a switch on a fake nigga like the station. Sex with me so amazing. All this all work, no vacation. Stay up off my Instagram, pure temptation. Hit a switch on a fake nigga like the station. Sex with me is amazing, but her it'll feel alright. Sex doesn't get any better, make it long, let it be all night. I know, I make it hard to let go. Tonight I'm lighting my roll, even if I'm alone. Sex with me so amazing. All this all work, no vacation. Stay up off my Instagram, pure temptation. Hit a switch on a fake nigga like the station. Sex with me so amazing. All this all work, no vacation. Stay up off my Instagram, pure temptation. Hit a switch on a fake nigga like the station. Amazing. All this all work, no vacation. Stay up off my Instagram, pure temptation. Hit a switch on a fake nigga like the station. Sex with me so amazing. All this all work, no vacation. Stay up off my Instagram, pure temptation. Hit a switch on a fake nigga like the station. Stay up off my Instagram, pure temptation. Hit a switch on a fake nigga like the station. Sex with me so amazing. All this all work, no vacation. Stay up off my Instagram, pure temptation. Hit a switch on a fake nigga like the station. Sex with me is amazing, but her it'll feel alright. Doesn't get any better, make it long, let it be all night. I know, I make it hard to let go. Tonight I'm lighting my roll, even if I'm alone. Sex with me so amazing. All this all work, no vacation. Stay up off my Instagram, pure temptation. Hit a switch on a fake nigga like the station. Sex with me so amazing. All this all work, no vacation. Stay up off
All right, you guys, I'm finally finished. It took me about 2 hours to do. And yeah, so the moment of truth, we're gonna start counting them to see if I actually made it to 100. All right, ready? 1, 2, skip a few, 99, 100. I got 100. JK, I got 64, and I'm kind of upset about it, but it's no big deal. This is still going to be a really cute mini twist out tutorial. Yeah, I think if I had the back and the sides, I could have made it to 100, y'all, because that was only 40 more, which probably would have been like another hour or so. But yeah, you guys, still nice. Like, rude, whoever's texting me, but yeah, if you guys can see, like, I don't know if you guys can see, these twists are so juicy. Like, they're dry right now, but they're juicy, and like they have nice shine, they look moisturized. It's just great. So yeah, when I take these out, I'm actually going to show you guys the twist out of my mini twist. So yes, stay tuned for that. Get into that. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably gonna leave them in for about a week or two, just because it just took me so long to do them, and I wear hats to work, and I'm not trying to redo them anytime soon. So I'll probably keep them in for a week and then twist out, and then the twist out's still gonna be bomb, baby. It is. So just stay tuned for that. But it's your boy Nas, aka Supreme. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Go ahead and share it with a friend who need it, who need help. But yes, you guys, thank you guys so much. I love you guys. See you guys in the next YouTube video.